we'll guide you through how to use ClickUp as a CRM to streamline your customer relationship management. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the left sidebar and select the Spaces tab. Here, you'll create a new space dedicated to your CRM. Click on New Space, give it a name like CRM, and choose a color for easy identification. Next, under the space settings, add a new folder and name it Clients. This is where you'll organize all your customer information. Within this folder, create a list for each client or project. Now, it's time to set up your custom fields. Click on a list, go to the Views dropdown, and select List View. This will allow you to customize columns that fit your CRM needs, such as contact information, deal size, or status. Use ClickUp's Custom Fields feature to add these columns. Click on Add Column and choose the appropriate field type: text, number, dropdown, or date to suit your data. To track your sales pipeline, create statuses in your list that reflect stages like lead, qualified, proposal sent, and closed. These stages will help you visualize where each client is in your sales process. You can also use ClickUp's automations to streamline repetitive tasks. For instance, set up an automation to move a task to the next status once a deal is marked as proposal sent. This ensures your workflow remains efficient. Don't forget to explore the Dashboards feature to create a CRM dashboard. This powerful tool helps visualize your data with widgets that display metrics like total sales or upcoming client meetings. With these steps, you'll have a robust CRM system in ClickUp that enhances your productivity and customer management. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.